Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix team invite not working in Canva 2026. But why that happened? The typical reasons of the issue are the incorrect email or Canva account, invite sent to free users but team requires pro, the browser app cache issues, the VPN firewall blocking Canva, etc. So to fix the issue, only let us first check the internet connection. To do that, just go with a simple check by files.com and right here just check the megabytes per second or your dB, right? Also, you can just go ahead and restart or disconnect the Wi-Fi from here and reconnect it after a few minutes or seconds as well, and move closer to the router and restart it too, okay? Now, you will need to check the team plan and permissions. So, free teams may have limits on members. The Pro Canvas plans required for large teams, and you will need to make sure as well the invitee has an active Canva account and ensure the correct rules, so like member, editor, administrator, etc. And as last fix, you will need to go and click on the three dots on the top right corner, click on settings, then just go and click on privacy and security, okay? So here on the privacy and security section, go ahead and click on delete browsing data, the first option on it, and then just go and select the last 24 hours and go and delete data. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.